In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Faceit account from Steam. If you've linked your Steam profile to Faceit and want to disconnect it, I'll walk you through the exact menu to use, what to expect, and a few quick tips so nothing catches you off guard. First, open a web browser and log into your Faceit account. Using a desktop browser is the most reliable way because all settings are easy to find and clearly labeled. Once you're signed in, head to your profile page. You can usually get there by clicking your avatar or profile picture in the top corner and selecting your profile. Double-check you're on the correct Faceit account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one profile. Next, look for the menu that lets you adjust your account settings. On the profile page, you might see three dots or a small menu icon. Click that, or open account or settings if you see those options instead. Inside your settings, find the section called Integrations. This is where Faceit manages connections to game platforms and third-party services. Inside Integrations, look for a subsection labeled Game Platforms. You should see your Steam account listed there if it's currently connected. Right next to Steam, look for a button or toggle that says Disconnect or Turn Off. Click it to unlink your Steam account from Faceit. You may be asked to confirm the action. Once confirmed, your Steam profile won't be linked anymore, which means Faceit won't use it for game verification until you choose to reconnect in the future. A couple of quick notes before you finish: unlinking can affect features that rely on Steam verification, such as game ownership checks or eligibility for certain queues. If you plan to switch to a different Steam account later, you can always come back to this same integrations page and link the new one. If you don't see a disconnect or turn off option, try refreshing the page, switching to a desktop browser, or signing out and back in. Occasionally, your browser cache can hide updated settings, so a quick refresh or relog helps. If the button is grayed out, make sure you aren't currently using Steam-based login for Faceit. You may need to use an email-based login first. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.